Did you know that poor quality thumbnails can affect your performance on YouTube? In fact, one of the reasons why your videos are not performing well on YouTube is because you make poor quality thumbnails. Now, in this video, guys, I'm going to share with you this amazing app called Pixellab that is going to help you make high quality thumbnails, and I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how to use this app to make thumbnails. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below so that this video reaches out to everyone who needs this information, and don't forget to subscribe guys if you are new to this channel. And by the way guys, apart from the cool features this app owns that allows you to make high quality thumbnails, this app also allows you to use it when you are offline. As you can see, I'm going to use the app when my phone is in airplane mode. Now guys, let's get started. Now guys, I'm going to start making a thumbnail using this app, as I'm showing you step by step how to use features on this app to make high quality thumbnails. Now guys, after opening this app, you should look at the image size. As you can see, this image is too big for a YouTube thumbnail. The first thing I'm going to do is to press up here guys, on the menu button. Then guys, I'm going to press on image size. And then guys, you press on preset. Then guys, after pressing there, you press on YouTube thumbnail. Then guys, after pressing there, you press on OK. You press here on OK. So guys, you can take a look. This is the exact image size for YouTube thumbnail. Then guys, I'm going to start creating my YouTube thumbnail. Now guys, I don't like this background. As you can see, it will not look nice on my thumbnail. So guys, I'm going to upload an image that will work as my thumbnail. So guys, I'm going to press here. You press up here if you want to upload an image. You press up there on the plus button. Then guys, you press on from gallery. Then guys, they'll bring you direct to your gallery. Then guys, I'm going to choose this green background. As you can see, you can crop it to any image size you want, as you can see right here, but for me, I want to leave it the way it is. Then guys, you press here. As you can see guys, I'm going to pull here so that the background fits in the image. Like that guys, you can see that the background fits in the image. Then guys, I'm going to start creating my thumbnail, but I may not like this green background on my thumbnail. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press here, I'm going to press right there. Then guys, I'm going to scroll until when I reach color. I'm going to press here on color. Then guys, you enable this button. If you want to change any color of your background or image on your thumbnail, you just enable this button right here. Then guys, as you can see, my background has turned red, but I may not like the red color, so I can turn it to yellow. I can turn it to any color I want. As you can see, you choose the colors right here, you choose the colors down here guys. But for me, I may not like the green, red and other colors, so I'm going to choose color black for my YouTube thumbnail background. Then guys, after choosing color black, what am I going to do next? So this color black is my YouTube thumbnail background. So guys, what I'm going to do next is to add a text on my thumbnail. So adding a text guys, you press up on the plus button. You press up here on the plus button. Then guys, you press on text. You press up here on text. Then guys, I've started adding my text on my YouTube thumbnail. So guys, this is my first text on my thumbnail. I'm going to add more text on my thumbnail, but that is the first. So guys, I'm going to add other text on my thumbnail so that it can look nice and describe my video. So guys, as you can see, those are my texts on my thumbnail, but as you can see, they really don't look so nice. So guys, I'm going to start giving fonts to my text on my thumbnail. So guys, to make any text setting on Pixellab, you just press here, then guys, I'm going to scroll here, I'm going to scroll right here until when I reach font. As you can see right here, I'm going to press on font so that I can give my text a font. Then guys, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose this one right here. I'm going to choose that one, and I'm going to give other texts a font. Guys, I'm going to give all other texts a font, as you can see. So guys, I'm done giving fonts to my text on my YouTube thumbnail. As you can see them. Now guys, what I'm going to do next is to give them colors and backgrounds. I'm going to give them colors, backgrounds and shadows. As I told you guys, to make any text setting on Pixellab, you just press here, you just press down there. Then guys, I'm going to scroll, then I look for color. I'm going to scroll right here, I'm going to scroll right here until when I reach color right there. Then guys, I'm coloring my texts. I'm going to color my text. As you can see, I'm coloring my text. I'm going to give this one color red, I'm going to give that one color red, and I'm going to color all the text on my YouTube thumbnail. Then guys, I'm done coloring my text. What next? I'm going to give them backgrounds and shadows. I'm going to give them backgrounds and shadows so that they can look more nice and eye-catching. I'm going to scroll right here. Until when I reach background. When you reach background, guys, you just turn on background. Then you look for any color you would like to be your text background on Pixellab as you're creating a thumbnail. Then guys, I'm going to choose color red. I'm going to choose color red as my background for that text. Then guys, I don't like to give these two a background. Then guys, I'm going to move to this one, and I would like to give it a background of color yellow. So guys, so far that is how my thumbnail is looking like. So I'm going to give these two a shadow since I didn't give them a background. Then guys, I'm going to scroll right here. Until when I reach shadow. I'm going to reach shadow right here, and then I press on shadow. After pressing on shadow, I'm going to turn on shadow. After turning on shadow, I'm going to look for any color that will give a nice shadow to my text. Then guys, I'm going to choose color red to be a shadow to this color yellow text. Then guys, I'm done giving a shadow to my text right here. So what next? I'm going to add any other image that will make my thumbnail look eye-catching. Then guys, to add another image, you just press right here on the plus button right here. Then guys, you press on from gallery right here. Then guys, I'm going to choose this background. And then you can change any image size that you're uploading here right here. You can change any image size right there. Then guys, I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to press it right here. I am going to press it right here, guys. Then guys, this color green does not look nice on my thumbnail. So guys, as I told you, to change a color, you just scroll here and then you choose a color. I'm going to make it color white. You can see I've made it color white. Then guys, I'm going to add another image. So this is the image, guys, I have added again. So I would like to remove that white background from this image. So to remove a background from an image on this app, you just scroll right here. And then you press on erase color. Then guys, you just turn on the button, and as you can see, the color white is no more on this image. As you can see, this image no longer has a color white in its background. Then guys, I will scroll it here, right there. And then after, guys, I would like to add another image from my gallery again. I need to crop this image to that size, guys. I need to crop it to that size. And then guys, after cropping the image, I would like to add it here. So that it makes my thumbnail looking nice and eye-catching. So guys, this is how my thumbnail looks like. You can see how it looks nice, but you should be good at choosing colors that will make it looking attractive. Then guys, after creating your thumbnail, you just press up here, and then you save your thumbnail to your gallery. Then guys, after pressing up there, they are going to ask you save as an image. Then guys, after pressing here, you press on save as an image, and then guys, you press on save to gallery, and that's how you can create a nice thumbnail on Pixellab. Don't forget to subscribe guys, and like the video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.